Yes, are you
Yeah.
able to get this one shadow?
Yes, I'm able to see shadow.
Okay, so look at here. This is our this one, okay, screen. I will try it like this. Okay, now you can see the. Are you able to see the shadow?
Yes.
When I show it like Rishi, when I show it like I in a screen, I can see it's a very bright one. But when I look at it like in a practically, there's a shadows are there, right? But I don't know like what are you are able to see that or not? Okay, you can also look at this Abhishek one. Yes, Abhishek, is that opaque material?
Yes. Then shadow.
Okay, so you can see. Yes, so you can see the shadow, right? You can see the eyeshadow. So right now he's using. Is that opaque material or what?
It's opaque material.
Okay, the opaque material. Okay, that's good. Okay, now come back page number 173. So why there's you can see that in transparent there's no shadow formation, in translucent there's no shadow formation, right? But in opaque material we can see that they will form a shadow. Now why only opaque material form a shadow? So look at here.